Taurus, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. And welcome back to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a love reading. Tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your person. Let's see what is happening. This is not a one-to-one reading, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. However, you can watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements dahil minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. At nakakakuha kayo ng dagdag na mensahe para sa inyo. Okay? Thank you so much, Taurus. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for notification from this channel. Let's see how your love life unfolds and what you can expect sa inyong love relationship and romantic situation. Taurus. Love relationship and romantic situation. Anong nangyayari? Okay. Taurus. Three of Wands. Yeah, Nine of Swords. Okay. Yeah, Nine of Swords, Taurus. Merong pumapagabag sa inyo. Siguro meron kayong mga past hurts. Okay. Na naalala nyo pa din or iniisip nyo yung taong ito na sinaktan kayo or nagkaroon ka ng bad relationship with this person. So, naalala mo siya. Minsan may mga sleepless nights. Okay? You really want to get healed in the situation, like na makamove on ka na as in 100%. Okay? Yes, Four of Swords. Yes, you are healing. Okay? Kailangan mo ipahinga ang iyong isip, ang inyong katawan. For some of you, okay, nasi-stress ka siguro. It's like from time to time naalala nyo pa rin yung nangyari sa inyo. Yeah, Three of Pentacles because of third party. Okay, and now maybe this person is coming back to you or sinusuyo ka. So, you're not sure if you're going to give chance to this person or papatawarin mo. Something like that. Okay. So, Five of Wands. Yes, your person is also conflicted. Okay. Siguro naisip ka niya. Okay. Yeah, for some of you, gustong bumalik sa inyo. Okay. But maybe hindi mo pinapakita sa kanya that you are interested sa kanya. Okay? Parang hindi mo pinapakita na parang nag-aalala ka din or naisip mo din siya or concerned ka din sa situation. So this person, gusto niya talaga magkaroon ng magandang connection or gusto niya magbalik or bumalik sa inyo ulit. Yeah. Okay, merong deep affection. Parang gusto mo niya gumawa ng ways or paraan na maging close ulit sa inyo, na maibalik yung trust. Tingnan natin, let's see. Yeah. Five of Wands, Ten of Cups. Yeah. Parang nahihirapan din yung person nyo, no? Nag-iisip siya kung paano bumalik sa inyo, paano niya makuha yung trust ninyo sa kanya. Okay? Maybe this person, meron kayong family sa person na to, Taurus, and gusto niyang bumalik sa inyo. Okay? Baka nagkaroon ng emotional distance or emotional separation, kung hindi man physical separation. Okay? So, this person, gusto niyang bumalik sa inyo, pero parang nahihirapan siya. Okay? Parang hindi siya ganun ka-confident sa sarili niya. Yeah. For him also, you are glowing, okay? Parang feeling niya may mga competition siya, or iniisip niya madaming may gusto sa inyo and nawawalan siya ng pag-asa. Okay, that is for some of you. Yeah, Three of Swords. So this person is heartbroken and disappointed of the situation. Parang feeling niya parang wala ng pag-asa. Okay? Wala ng pag-asa. Wala na siyang pag-asa sa inyo. Yeah. Kung meron mang breakup or separation na nangyari dati, parang sisisihan na ng person na to. What is this? Five of Swords. Tingnan natin. Bakit may Five of Swords? Ayan, the Emperor. Yeah, gusto talaga bumalik ng tao na to sa inyo. Gusto niya magkaroon ng strong na relationship with you. Gusto niyang bumalik. Gusto niyang buuin uli yung family ninyo or ang inyong connection or samahan. Okay? Or relasyon. Depende sa inyong sitwasyon ngayon. Okay? Yeah. So, nag-iisip siya kung ano yung paraan para ma-build niya uli yung trust ninyo or makuha niya uli yung trust mo. Okay? Yeah, Ace of Swords. Yeah. This person really wants to pursue you. Pursue you, Taurus. Okay. Tingnan natin the Empress. The Empress. Nine of Cups. Yeah. He or she is happy to see you. Okay? Parang attracted siya uli sa inyo, or he or she is attracted to you. May nakita siyang admiration. I mean, ina-admire ka niya. Interesado siya sa inyo. Yes, Page of Cups. Yeah. Gusto niya talaga ng completeness between you at sa kanya. Gusto niya ng happy family or happy relationship with you. Gusto niya express. Okay? He or she is in love with you. Very attracted siya sa inyo. Okay? Nakikita niya na parang nag-glow ka. You are attractive. Okay? You are glowing. Yeah. Okay? Para bang you are fertile. Okay? Yeah. This person wants to have a good conversation with you, a warm conversation. Okay? Masaya siya pagkausap ka or nakikita ka. Yes, Taurus. Two of Swords. Yeah, Ten of Pentacles. So, meron ka pa ring doubts, no? Parang hindi ka pa rin, wala ka pa ring trust, or nahirapan ka i-gain uli yung trust mo sa kanya, Taurus. Maybe because naalala mo pa rin yung mga past experience mo sa kanya, yung past hurts, yung ginawa niya, okay? Hindi mo makikalimutan, naalala mo pa din. So, parang you are still nasa stage ka na parang hindi mo alam kung tatanggapin mo pa ba siya uli or i-accept mo siya sa inyong life. Okay? You're not sure about it, Taurus. Why? The Hangman, yeah, you're not doing anything. Yung para sa'yo is bahala na kung ano na lang mangyari. Parang ganun. Okay, tingnan natin kung ano yung next move niya or kung anong gagawin niya. So, yun yung sa isip mo. You are just letting things unfold naturally. Depende sa panahon kung ano yung mangyayari. Okay? Anong gagawin na aksyon ng taong ito sa inyo para maibalik uli or makuha niya uli ang inyong trust. Okay? You are just allowing things to happen in their own time. Five of Cups, tingnan natin. Bakit Five of Cups? Five of Cups. Yeah. Four of Cups. Yeah, parang hindi mo siya pinapansin, ano? Parang hindi ka interesado sa kanya. Taurus. Okay. But this person is really interested in you. Gusto kanyang kausapin. Gusto niyang i-establish uli kung ano man ang meron kayo dati. Okay. Just take what resonates for you. Sometimes, this is baliktad, no? Parang ikaw yung bumabalik sa taong ito, but then the person nawala na ng trust sa inyo or nawala na ng tiwala. Okay? Just take what resonates for you. Yeah, for some of you, you want to have a relationship with this person, but then maybe you are already committed to someone else and nasasaktan ka sa inyong sitwasyon. You are heartbroken, you are disappointed. Okay? Yeah. For some of you, meron kayong mental clarity or you're not sure kung ano yung gagawin ninyo. Okay? Maybe you are dealing with two situations. Yeah. Because for some of you, you are attracted to another person. That's why you are broken. Okay? You are disappointed. Kasi parang hindi ka makamove to another person because maybe you are already committed to another relationship. Okay? Just take what resonates for you. So now you are not sure kung anong gagawin mo. Okay? May break, may pause. You don't know kung anong gagawin mo. So merong primary relationship and then merong secondary. Something like that. Okay? You are in limbo. You don't know what to do. So you are just letting things to happen. Okay? In their own time. So, merong regrets sa part mo. May sadness ka. Okay? Yeah. Or maybe for some of you, the other person is sad, okay, or disappointed dahil hindi niya nakukuha yung attention mo. Dahil napunta na doon sa isang relationship. Okay? Four of Cups. Three of Pentacles. Yes. So, may kailangan kang i-work out sa inyong relationship. Yes, you are dealing with two situations. Taurus, there is third party. You are involved in a third party relationship. Okay? The Star. Bakit the Star? Five of Cups. Okay. Again, Five of Cups, kalungkutan. Parang hindi ka masaya sa sitwasyon mo. You want to be healed. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, death. Okay? So, merong, may regain of hope. Okay? After some sadness or disappointment. Okay? Maybe now you are healing. You want to break yourself from unhealthy relationship or unhealthy habit or from toxic relationship. Okay? You want to get out or merong kaayusan sa iyong sitwasyon. Okay? Meron kang aayusin. Yeah. Okay, you are moving on, Taurus. Okay. Yeah. So, 3 of Wands na natin. 2 of Cups, yes. So, you're thinking about a long-term commitment, Taurus. May kailangan kang ayusin. Okay? So, yeah, you will get out from unhealthy habits or unhealthy relationship. Okay? And you are going forward with commitment. Okay? Parang ayusin mo na ang iyong relasyon sa main or primary mo na relationship. That is for some of you. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, you are forgiving someone. You will be making long-term plans. Okay? Sa relationship mo. You will be setting also boundaries. Okay? And you will be setting expectation from your person. Okay? So just take what resonates for you, Taurus. Yeah. Let's see, ano yung mga hidden truths. Taurus. Okay. Basta in this energy, merong healing na mangyayari. Okay. You will break or you will get out from a toxic or unhealthy relationship. You will move forward, setting boundaries and expectations and making long-term plans, okay, and commitments. Okay. Hidden truths from your person. Taurus. I wish I had treated you better. Okay. Merong finding out the truth crushed me. And you were the best thing in my life. Okay. Deep in your heart, you already know the answer. Do what feels right. Okay? So, Taurus, maraming salamat sa iyo. These are your energies and messages for you. Thank you and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!